Yo, what's up guys, it's 𝗵𝗂𝗶𝗁 Diaries and welcome to another video on the channel. Let's know this channel talk about core and OEX all day and every single day. So far we have already linked our withdrawal address, and for today's video I'm going to show you how we can do our mission C. So for those who haven't seen the announcement that was made by the Openex team, then please catch up through my Telegram channel. You can also find it on my Twitter page. I had reposted the tweet that was made by Openex, and here it is just an hour ago that the Openex team has teamed up with 𝗝𝗄𝗜 for Mission C. We celebrate meme culture and invite you to bring vibrant memes at 𝗝𝗄𝗜 to the OEX community. So by participating in this, you don't need to participate in Mission X. So this is the time for you, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. And before we get to that, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and you've also turned on notifications so that you can be notified whenever there's a new upload. I always update you on all the important matters that relate to core and OEX, so there's no time wasted on our channel. And in order to perform the Mission C, we need to log in to our OEX app. And now that we have already signed in to the app, we'll go to the mission section, and right here you can see that we don't have the Mission C, and that's because we're using the previous version of the app. So we're going to update to the latest version, and from there on you'll be able to see that we now have the Mission C. And another thing, the OEX team have also announced that they have reduced the requirements for performing Mission L. So for those who have not yet done Mission L, this is the time for you. Many of you are not able to do it since the testnet OEX had risen in price, so just update to the new version, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we are going to head over to our Telegram channel in order to get the link to where we're going to download the new version. So this is the official link to the Openex website to download the app. So I'll just tap on that, then open it, and we'll switch to the Chrome browser. And right here you can see on Play Store we have the previous version, which is 0.1.9, but we need the latest version, which is 0.1.10. So in order to do that, you can download through GitHub or 𝗵𝗄𝗂𝗏. So I'm not sure which one will be the fastest, but let me just start with GitHub. So it's already downloading and it shows 1 minute left, so we'll just give it some time. But also 𝗵𝗄𝗏 is quite fast, so let's also try that. And as you can see, the one that we have just started is almost finishing, so I'll just stick to that, and it's already done. So another thing that you'll notice, it won't install because the previous version we had downloaded it on Play Store. So in order to install this new version, we first of all need to uninstall the one that we had downloaded from Play Store. But first of all, we need to head over to the backup section so that we can copy our private key, which will then import to the new version. So now that we have already saved our private key, we're going to uninstall the app. So let's just uninstall that, and now we'll head over to our Chrome browser, then reinstall the app. So now it's successful. We'll just wait to open the app. So now we are on the new version of the app, and we'll head over to import using the private key that we had copied from the previous version. So that's done, and we are back on our account. So everything here looks the same. On the hub section, we also have all the features opened, and now we're going to go to the mission section. So right here you can see that we now have the Mission C, and also the other missions have been updated, like the Mission E, Mission T, Mission L, Mission Z. You can see we have different icons. So we have already done the other missions, and right now we are only going to do the Mission C. So let's over to Mission C, and right here you can see what we need to do is to hold core and the 𝗝𝗄𝗜 token. And remember that this is the mainnet core, this is not the testnet core. And in order to do that, we'll go back to the dashboard, and right here you can see we are on the long testnet, so we need to switch back to the core mainnet. So we'll just tap on the core mainnet. We have 0 core on our account, that is 0.018, and we also have 0 𝗝𝗄𝗜 token. So these are the tokens that we need to have in order to participate in Mission C successfully. So I'm going to send some core from my other account, and in order to do that, I'll just tap on core, then copy my address. And another way that you can find your address is just by tapping on the QR code icon that you can see there. Just tap on that and you'll be taken to where you can copy your address. So it's already copied. We are going to go to our MetaMask where we have our core stored. As you can see, we are on our MetaMask account, and on this account we have 166 core. So we're just going to send only one core because I believe that is more than enough to participate in the mission C. So we've already copied our address, so we'll just tap on core, then tap on send and paste the address to our OEX app, and we are only going to send one core. Then tap on next and tap on send. So the transaction is successful and we can go back to the OEX app. So remember to switch back to the core mainnet. Just tap on the long testnet, then tap on core mainnet, and as you can see, we now have one core. So in order to have the 𝗏𝗏 token, you need to swap to the 𝗏𝗏 token, and you'll just need to tap on 𝗏𝗏, then tap on swap. Another way that you can get to the swap is by going to the hub section, making sure that you are still on the core mainnet. So just tap on swap, then make sure that you are swapping from core, and down below just select 𝗏𝗏. So our balance is one core, and we are only going to be transacting half of the core. So 0.5 core will give us 17 billion of the 𝗏𝗏 token. So just tap on swap and just let it load for a bit, and now it's successful. As you can see, we now have some balance on the 𝗏𝗏 token, that is 17 billion 𝗏𝗏 token. So when you go back to our mission C, you'll see that both the core and 𝗏𝗏 token have been approved, and the next thing that you need to do is just tap on submit, and as you can see, our mission C is successful. So for those who have not yet participated in the mission X, then there's no need to do that. You just need to participate in mission C, and for those who have done all the missions, you can also participate in mission C. There's nothing to lose. I would also advise on buying more of the 𝗏𝗏 token because this coin is rising. When you go back to the swap section, let's just select the 𝗏𝗏 token, and you can see that 0.534 is giving us only 13 billion. So you can remember before we got 17 billion for almost the same amount, which was 0.5 core. So this token is going to keep on rising, and I would highly suggest that if you want to make more money from participating in mission C, then buy more of the 𝗏𝗏 token. But my advice to you is that if you just buy some of these tokens, then switch back to core later on. Once most of the participants have already participated in mission C, then you'll realize that you've already made some profit. So when we swap back to core, let's see what we'll get for the 17 billion tokens. So you can see we are going to get 0.7 core, of which we had only spent 0.5 core before. So this will be lucrative for you guys if you participate in the mission C and hold, and that's how you can participate in mission C. Remember also to participate in the other missions because it helps out in verifying your address as mentioned by the Openex team on their Twitter account. You can also read more about the 𝗏𝗏 token on their Twitter page. You'll find their page pinned on my Twitter handle, so just check it out and read more about it. And as we finish this video, make sure that you also go to my channel and watch the video on how to link your withdrawal address on the Satoshi app. And once you have gotten the successful message similar to this, then there's no need to keep on repeating the same process. So just give time for those who have not yet completed the process, because if you keep on repeating binding your address, then you'll create an unnecessary influx of requests, and it will create a delay in the OTP and also in the facial verification for those who have not yet participated. So let's just give time for the others so that we can all get to bind our addresses before the deadline on 27th. So that's all for the video. Make sure that you check out the video description below so that you can get all the links and the access to my Telegram channel. You can also check out my Twitter page, and right here you'll find all the links to join my Telegram group, channel, and my social platforms. So thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you on the next one. Peace out.